The second example of new media and therefore new literacies I'd like to show you works with your smartphone. It's called PhyPhox, which stands for Physical Phone Experiments. Now, you can use this using the phone's own sensors, its gyroscope, its microphone, and so on, just to measure the environment around you. So you can tap on acceleration, for example, and then just with your phone do that, and then you'll have a visual representation of the acceleration. I'm going to show you now inclination. So if I go into inclination, and what I will then do is I'll hit play at the top, and then as I incline the phone like this, you'll be able to see on your screens now how we have a graphic representation of the angle of rotation in against time, showing there. So there's one example. Another thing I can do with this, and there are many things you can measure. You can measure light, you can measure your location using the GPS, you can measure acceleration, you can measure the Doppler effect using the microphone. What we're going to do is something from everyday life. We're going to go to the elevator function, and we're going to use the elevator function to actually go from where we are now, which is the 3rd floor, down to the 1st floor, and we can measure height, and we can measure the acceleration and speed as well. So, here we go. And finally there, as out I come, you can see the acceleration as well. You can see the height that I've gone down, the height I've come back up, and from the 3rd floor to the ground floor and back again. So, PhyPhox, a really good way of introducing some of these more theoretical concepts practically perhaps to your students.